Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trades News, coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. We have lots and lots and lots of great stuff to talk about, guys. It's going to be a barn burner of a video. Could we be seeing a Bitcoin going to 20,000, or could we see a Bitcoin going to 100,000? We're going to talk about that and much, much more. We're going to talk about CPI data. What does that mean to you? What does that mean to me? Absolutely out there, guys. So that is going to be cool beans in the house. We're also going to talk about this new this cryptocurrency bill. Guys, could this be hype? There's some talk about this. It's all about hype, guys. So we're going to talk about that and much, much more. And you know, what is going to happen to the economy? Are we going to be seeing things going down? Are we going to be seeing Bitcoin and crypto crashing to the moon, guys? It is a huge, huge red day, guys. And you know, we got the alien. Alien is there. We got the Debbie Downer Bear. They're all out of there, guys. So it is a great time to be alive or not, depending on your portfolio. So I'm still pretty bullish. I'm still pretty positive. And remember, guys and gals, aliens and amoebas out there, this is not financial advice. This is just OG in-house expressing the opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Let's jump into the content right now. We saw that yesterday, we saw that the markets yesterday was an absolute bloodbath after we had that CPI data. You know, we had expected 8.3%, but it came in at 8.6%. So the markets tanked like crazy. Tankity tank, down. Exactly as I predicted. If you go back and watch my previous two videos, I did say, you know, brace for impact, absolute brace for impact. We're going to see a 5% drop. And we saw about, you know, pretty close. We saw the NASDAQ drop about 3.52%. And we have seen that Bitcoin and crypto markets have dropped almost about 3% out there, guys. So from that perspective, so we are seeing, and we did see, in case you missed it, in case you were living under a rock, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing his opinion. I love you guys. I love you. Don't forget to go and boop the likes, show some love, and don't forget to subscribe. YB in the house. You want it, guys. You absolutely want it. And, you know, we can see that, you know, the CPI data came out at 8.6, and that is a 40-year high, guys. And, you know, when you go to the supermarket, you're seeing bread and beef and everything is getting more expensive, and gas is absolutely insane in the membrane, guys. So that is what's going on with CPI. And it is definitely confirmed that, you know, inflation is in, guys. So, you know, April last year, the experts did forecast that, you know, was about 8.1%, but we printed 8.3. So, you know, that was a Debbie Downer. And then in May, experts, you know, forecasted 8.2 and we came in at 8.6. So, you know, the other thing is not only about the cost of beef and the cost of, you know, fuel and all these things rising like crazy. Also, the other thing is now that what is really scaring the markets right now is that, you know, the Fed is going to be very, very hawkish on his stance when it comes to the economy, guys and gals. And that is putting a lot of people off. And, you know, they did talk about 50 basis points, but it looks like we could be seeing a rate hike of 75 basis points. So that's going to create the whole crypto market to tank and the whole broader markets. The stocks are tanking, guys. So we're seeing that BTC is down about 2.28%. So it's recovered a little bit. It had gone as low as around about 28.9 in-house. So we've come back a little bit. But we're seeing that Ethereum is getting beaten up bad, guys. It's hammer time for Ethereum. And we're seeing that Ethereum is down 5.68%, guys and gals. So from that perspective, I did tell you yesterday that we could see the fear and greed going down, down. And it went down. Remember, sentiment is driving prices right now. And the retail investors are out of there. They're running the hill, sucking their thumb, going, mummy out there. So, you know, what you need to be doing, guys, is do absolutely nothing. And we're also going to talk about that the poop coin season is over, guys, and we're going to talk about that as well. So get ready, guys. We got a whole bunch of stuff to talk about. So, you know, what should you be doing right now? Well, I mean, I did tell you that I wasn't going to DCA on Thursday because I was going to wait till yesterday after the CPI data came out. So the CPI data did came out. The markets did tank. So I did DCA yesterday, and I bought a lot of more crypto on a huge discount, guys. Discount time. And, you know, so I picked up some ADA, guys. I picked up some Bitcoin at its lows, and I did pick up some Ethereum, guys. So I'm loading up, guys. I loaded up so much I had to get a truck, guys, and I'm shoveling all of this crypto onto the back of the truck, guys. So that is cool beans in us. So it looks like after months of hype, Loomis Gilbert crypto bill is more media event than law right now. So it looks like you know, the introduction of Loomis crypto bill earlier this week was the center of months of a long campaign. So we saw lots of hype, lots of articles about that, ladies and gentlemen. But, while the industry expressed support for the effort of the bill, many stakeholders are clearly trying to send it back for it. So the bill has gone back, and it's going to be having some revisions. So hopefully those revisions are not going to be stinkers out there. And given the current dynamics of Congress and crypto market, there is also little hope for the bill becoming a law this time around. So the likelihood and chances of this bill becoming law is about nada, zero. So I don't think it's going to happen, guys. So yeah, I think it was just a non-starter. Lots of hype, but with no bite, guys. So that bill's out of there. I don't think it's going to get passed. So yeah, it's good and it's bad. What can we say? So it looks like the poop coin season is over. ERC20 tokens creators dropped 39% in 1 month. So that is pretty good because we're going to see less crap tokens out there, and that is pretty good because we're going to see less scams, less rug pulls, and less nefarious activity on these poo-poo schmata coins. So that is good news for us out there that less crappy coins out there. So, like I said, remember, you've got to have diversification. Diversification is key. Bang, bang, bang. And remember, never invest in any crap coin that is younger than 2 years, guys. And that just avoids all the rug pulls and all the craziness out there. So it looks like Cardano, ADA's out BTC and needs Ethereum to emerge as the most widely held cryptocurrency in the bear market. So this is true. I have absolutely been loading up on Cardano. I believe that Cardano is the absolute opposite. The dynamic. Polar opposite of Luna tuna out there, because the stinky head tuna, it's what a crappy project, guys. And I firmly believe in my heart that this whole Luna tuna debacle was not an accident. I think Dogecoin was behind it, guys, and there's more mounting evidence that shows that this guy could be in trouble, and he kind of pulled the rug over our eyes, guys. So what do you think about that? Smash the likes, boop the likes, comment, and remember, feed the algorithm. You've got to feed the algorithm, and the only way you can do that is by smashing the likes, comment, and you can comment more than once. Boys and girls, you've got to comment more than once. That's so important that you all do that out there, and you got to do that. Let's feed the algorithm, and remember, take this video link, copy, share, and send it to your friends, send it to your mother, send it to your grandmother, and send it to people you don't even like, guys. Let's get the message out there. Let's rock and roll, guys. Rock and roll time with crypto, guys. So this also coming in right now. So Brian Armstrong calls petition to remove top execs dumb. So it looks like a number of employees, wrote this letter, and, they had this petition that they wanted this executive out of there. So, this is just weird and wacky out there. So I just thought it was kind of crazy. Brian Armstrong said, that's not going to happen, guys. So weird and wacky. Hey, the third biggest Bitcoin wallet, I'm keeping an eye on this because yesterday, on the 10th, he sold 500 Bitcoin, and that was about $15 million. And I have talked about that a couple of videos, but what I'm waiting for, and I believe that he sold at 30.125 so he could buy back at the dip. So I'm just wondering what's going on, because he didn't buy back at the dip. Nothing is going on. So hopefully in the next 24 hours, we're going to see him buying back, and that is pretty good, because if he doesn't buy back, then this is a huge warning out there that Bitcoin is about to dump. So, let's jump into Bitcoin price. Will Bitcoin go down to 20,000, or is it going to go up to 100,000? So we're going to talk about that, guys. So before we do that, let's take a look at some on-chain stuff. So this is from Stock Lizards in the house, guys. Bitcoin correction wave has 3 impulses based on log MACD histogram. And the red, we have the initial sell-off. We've seen that moderate up consolidation, dip buyers, and further down move. We're seeing that right now. And I think this is the final sell-off and capitulation. I think that, the probabilities out there from my perspective, if we take a look at the itty bitty baby price right now. So this is not the itty bitty baby. Where's my itty bitty baby? So we did see that the itty bitty baby did go down to just below 29,000. We went down to about 28.9, depending on what exchange you're watching out there. It did bounce back. It did reverse to 29.262 in the house. Now, from my perspective, we do have the minor capitulation at 21,000. So what I'm really saying, I'm going to really call it here. And I believe that, the worst case scenario, absolute worst case scenario, is we could see 21,047. That is the worst case. More likely, though, we could see a further bottoming out at 26,573. But we have seen that, we're getting beyond a month now that we're seeing that this whole $29,000 area is being holding strong. So this could be the bottom, guys. Is it likely that we go down to 21,000? I believe there's a possibility, but I believe that long term, we're going to see a bounce to $100,000, guys. So boot the likes, smash the likes. Yeah, there's going to be some more chop. There's going to be some more turbulence, but I'm not totally out of there. I'm not totally disgusted with the markets right now. So this is coming in from sentiment in the house, and basically what it's saying is that when the prices fall below resistance, Ethereum and Alt did Friday, the community looks for explanations. The prominent accepted reason is inflation, and that is why we're seeing the droppity drop is because of inflations, guys, and debt concerns. Previous three spikes in this subject's interest all marked local bottom. So we can see that every time we had these spikes here, it marked a local bottom, and I believe that the bottom is in, guys. 29,000 is holding a huge support, and I think that even though it's pretty boring and it's been choppity chop, and a lot of people have been panicking, don't panic sell, guys. Absolutely don't panic sell. This is a good opportunity to time the market, buy the dips, guys. And anything, I would be putting some ladder buy orders. I'd be putting a ladder buy order at 21,000. I'd be putting a buy order at 26.5 around that area, and I'd be also putting orders into 29,000. And anytime you hit, this is a good time to be pick up the sat. Because we're seeing that even though the stocks, the broader markets did a big tank yesterday, Bitcoin is still being pretty resilient, and I think that Bitcoin is the biggest hedge against inflation of all time, guys. And this is going to be changing your life, my life, and it's going to be a great time to be alive, guys. So from that perspective, this is also from Urian House. Which way? Bitcoin, crypto trading, Bitcoin, BTC. So from my perspective, he's also saying that about 25,000 is the lowest. This is the medium target, and this target lines up exactly with my target as well. And I think that the worst case scenario for this target is going to be, like I said, Bitcoin could be going down to 26,178. And we're seeing lots of support at 29,000. Yeah, we could see a capitulation of 28, but I think if we have diamond hands, diamond hands, we're going to see a reversal and a bounce up to the upside, and we're going to hit $32,000 coming in soon, guys. So don't panic out there. It's not too bad, guys. And right now we're seeing, get ready for the Bitcoin mega pump, guys. So if you look at the 2016 and 2022 fractal, we're still seeing that we have pretty much the same structure here, and it went up and went down, and then hit this line here on the RSI, and then once we hit this RSI oversold, once we hit the number 5, which is the RSI oversold, we had a huge bounce, guys. So despite the inflation, despite the negativeness, I still think that we're going to get a bounce to the upside, guys. Smash the like, put the likes, show some love in the house. Bitcoin 2-year bull run market, we are now finished a huge consolidation, and we could be hitting going up, guys. So you can see here that typically, the whole pattern is 2 years of the bull market. We are finishing consolidation. So, after we have this whole consolidation here, we just finished the consolidation. And I told you that this whole consolidation went back as far as June, guys. So we've been consolidating down, down. And I think that we're about to blast off and see another 2 years of a bull market, guys. And I think that the whole, halving cycle has been invalidated. It's very much been invalidated out there, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. And, from Ethereum perspective, we're seeing that the merge is coming. The Ethereum community has successfully completed the merge to the Rhapsody testnet, guys. So that is pretty cool news, guys. And the mainnet approaches there is currently 12.81 Ethereum staked, representing a 10.78% of the circulating supply of Ethereum is now, being staked for Ethereum 2.0, guys. And expect August to be the date that we could see Ethereum 2.0. What's wrong with my words? This we could be expecting August as the launch of Ethereum 2.0, and I think when that happens, the culmination of the launch of the Ethereum 2.0, we're going to have the Doge X that should be done as well in August. Also, too, we're gonna get the Ethereum bridge for Doge as well. I think we're gonna get the spot ETF as well, and I think August could be the day to keep your eyes on, guys. And that's when I think we could see huge blast off, guys. So, bull run starting signal strong, as this has only happened this happens every 3.5 years. So once again, we're getting 3.5 years. We get this, this oversold position on the RSI here, here and here. We saw this in 2015, 2018. We're seeing a very similar structure right now, and this can only mean one thing, that we're going to be going uppity up, guys. I think August is going to be the huge date, guys. So let's take a look at the DXY. So right now, the SPX, not the DXY, come on, the SPX, we saw that, the SPX tankety tank yesterday. We're seeing the Bitcoin held pretty strong at 29,000. We're seeing that on the weekly right now. We have a red candle, OMG, and we got 1 day and 23 hours to kind of pull a rabbit out of our hat and to make this candle greeny green, guys. So otherwise we're going to have another downward week, guys. So from that perspective, we're still on blue box going, but this blue box has been holding. It's been holding like a charm, guys, and I'm pretty happy about that. We're seeing right now that the Bitcoin dominance has also come down slightly. It's at 47.48. We're seeing the DYX is going up. It's a 104, and this is going to put a lot of sell pressure on Bitcoin, and hopefully this thing will drop, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin right now is at 0.75, so 7.5 cents in house. It's not looking good for Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin not only taking a nap, it also took a dump, and the reason it took a dump is because of inflation concerns, guys. That is all that is. That is what that is about. It's all about inflation concerns. And are we going to see a brilliant recovery for Dogecoin? It all depends on Bitcoin and the broader markets. Right now, we've had a huge tech sell-off because of inflation concerns. We're having a huge Bitcoin and crypto market sell-off. Not as bad as the stocks. You'll find that, with inflation pressures, the broader markets will dump, but you'll find that the crypto market, particularly Bitcoin, will have a faster recovery than the broader markets out there. So that is true beans in-house, guys. So if you believe that, smash the like, comment, guys. Let's take a look at the leverage apes. Let's get out of here. So right now, if we take a look at the leverage apes in house, let me give this a minty refresh, make sure we got all the updated data. Good morning, Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. And right now we're seeing that 267 million apers who got wrecked out there. The apes will never learn. And that 73,000 traders got wrecked, guys. And the other thing is, if we're seeing on the hourly time frame, we can see some shorts building up. So that is good. That is good. Maybe we're going to get a Bitcoin reversal, and we can start to see some green, because right now we're seeing, if we look at the heat map, it's red, guys. It's red. BNB is coming back. Now, even though the SEC is going after BNB, we're seeing some goodness out there. Ethereum right now is not looking good. It broke down below my $1,700 support level and is trading at 60.74 in the house. But we've got some next support level at 11.88, and that is going to be my bottom for Ethereum, guys. Let's take a look at ADA. So ADA was printing higher lows, but it has broke down from this upward sloping structure, and it's going down again. But I believe it's going to come back, guys, and you can see that more people are holding ADA right now. ADA is having a huge comeback, guys. I'm aping into ADA like a madman. So guys, it's not financial advice, but ADA is looking pretty strong and pretty healthy out there. So right now we're seeing the total market cap took a huge dumpity dump. It's down about 3.5% right now, and that's at 1.21 trillion. We see the volumes are also pretty light though, at 44 billion, and the Bitcoin dollars is way too high, and it's been pretty much a bloodbath out there. Everything's down, down, except BNB, guys. BNB is looking pretty good. It's in the green, guys, even though despite the Fed is going after it. 88 tankety tank, 6.55%. Solana tank, Doge tank, everything tankety tank. So it's a pretty much a bloodbath. It's a good time to DCA. Buy the dippy dips. We're seeing some good projects on sale, guys. So that is that for this video, guys. So go and follow me on Twitter. We got 4,510. Boot the likes for human. Subscribe. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for Christmas? And don't forget to comment like a crazy person, and super chat. Support the channel. Remember, all the super chats, all the merch, all the membership, all goes to charity, guys. And we're going to be doing a charity video soon. But that depends on you, and you. So you and you out there, I want to say God bless each and every one of you, guys. Don't forget to pick up the OG merch, guys. Get the OG merch. Gear up, get the hat, get the mug, get the hoodies, t-shirts, all sorts of gear. And don't forget to go down there, check out the links, guys. So I just want to say, God bless each and every one of you. Be well, spread a little love, get this video out there, get it out there. Guys, peace out.